Everybody, it's me, Russ, doing my first TaskRabbit Automotive. Working on a TIG, Volkswagen TIGUAN. Vicky, parking garage. I'm in a parking garage. I'm here with the 2012 TIGUAN. And check it out, my client had panel tools too. So I sell these on my channel. I get to try them out. And this is what I'm doing. Replacing this switch here. So panel tools, get this out, pops out here. This pops out from the bottom. Easy peasy. T30 Torx, get all those. So yes, T30s. And then this guy down here was a hex. Yeah, I used that one because the 3 wouldn't work, and I'm missing my 4, so that worked out. Let's see if you can see this in here. Let's see. Something you need to know about the door panels on a Volkswagen. All right, so these are the tools you're going to need. That straight fork. I got this Harbor Freight, all right? The kit that I actually sell doesn't have that tool, and you need that because you got to get up in there in between. So it's like a clip, right? And you have to get in between them because it's like this device, and they break pretty easily. So you got to get up between the 2 pieces and just pop it, and it comes right apart. But if you get under it, you can break it. If you don't maneuver that thing right, I mean, it just easily pops off, but it's not so easy getting in this door panel, all right? That thing. So I got this one. I need to get that one. So yeah, this part needs to pop the clip like that. And if you've looked up other videos on this job, you'll see that even though this is a 2012 Volkswagen Tiguan, there's others out there that don't have the same door panel style, and the cabin air filter, which I replaced, is not the same either. Why is that? Because from what I've gleaned, they made these vehicles in Chattanooga, Tennessee, here in the United States. Chrysler, right? This is Daimler Chrysler. It's basically a Dodge. So those door panels are much easier than the import Tiguans that came from this factory in Germany, which also reminds me of Pink Floyd Animals. That's some of the artist's inspiration was that Volkswagen plant in Germany, maybe. I don't know. Were this imported Tiguans are going to be much more challenging. So yeah, you want to get above it like that. Pop it out. Volkswagen. All right, so I popped it in from the bottom underneath like that. I just laid on the ground. It was hard, but I couldn't figure out for the life of me how this thing comes off of the window sill. So, okay, so if you missed that, it's because I couldn't get a camera up there. I'm running out of time. But I laid on the ground and reached up, pulled the door panel out, right, like this. And I reached up there and was able to pull the old switch out and pop the new one in right there. Be careful, again, don't break anything, but you do have some maneuverability in pulling that out rather than 2012 Tiguan air filter, cabin air filter, cabin air filter. Here we go. 3 screws, boom, 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 right there. This one's more complicated. So you got that guy up there that needs to come off. This thing pops down. Just pull on it. So it's got this clips right there. Get this out of your way. So actually I found it easier to push it that way, and then this gives way a little bit and it pops right out. Boom. Right, so this one had you pop it back like this. This one had a screw. I guess the screw's missing, but this just pops up in there. And then it hangs on the other side like that. Get it out, and there is the air filter right here. Pull it down out of there. Nasty. All right, there's a COVID right there. This one's directional airflow out, which is blowing into the cab that way. That's not that way. Yeah. There we go. And you put it all back together. Easy peasy. They could have made it easier. The newer ones are easier. All right, so my first TaskRabbit mobile mechanic, put that switch in. And I replaced this with this one, shiny new one. Look at that, it's on there good. Yep. And cabin air filter. Boom. Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around.